Wait, I'm lost.
A bird who gets off his flight doesn't deserve her wings. That's what I always say. Isn't it, dear?
Always, dear. But I don't even know how to fly yet. I got lost on foot.
Bad infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. Give her marching orders.
Bad, very well. We're geese, migrants, you know, birds of passage.
Wouldn't do for us to lose our way, what?
Where are we trying to get to? Back to my mother on the lake. Oh, and I'm sure I'm going the right way. I saw a few ducks flying a few minutes ago.
Well, if you did, it was probably their last flying mission. What?
What do you mean? There's a chute on the marsh, dear. It's very dangerous.
What's a chute?
Well, it's a people sport. One group of men moved through the marsh, scaring ducks into the air, while a second group with guns scared them back out of the air again.
But the cat warned me about people.
The cat?
Yeah, you see, I went off with 3 cats.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous the cat is?
She did, but the cat said they were my friends.
Oh, you don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was? Gun dogs, they must be starting to shoot again.
Time for maneuvers.
I hope they wouldn't have come to this, but I have no option. All right, at ease. Company,
Fall in! We didn't mean literally.
all right. Eyes front. Now we are about to take part of an exercise, the likes which we have not faced before.
Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
This duckling's lost her mom. Bless her, and we're going to find her.
Now I know you are a fine body of geese, and you will give your best. Good luck, man.
We're off on a wild goose chase. We'll be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear. We're off, and no matter where we roam, although my boggles are scared, and the goggles are sure to find your home. Runways clear, prepare for takeoff, dear. We must play our part. Again, I fear cabin lights are rather dim. Toss away, our air display must hide. We're up on a wild goose chase. In a simple mission, position the whereabouts of your foe. We're off and unless we're floating to kingdom come, we won't be back until we have your love.
Excuse me, sir. Catskills advancing for 3 years. What? Catskills do not advance barnacles. One doesn't think they're most famous towards being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought we lost ya.
Stand back, little pet!
Ooh, be still my quaking legs. We're going to be goose.
What are you guys doing here? We've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You guys see my mother?
Of course, send us to fetch you. Listen here, cats. We're in command around here, and our squadron has taken personal charge of the duckling safe return to our mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
Well, it's their party, but we'll fly if we want to.
Silence in the ranks.
No joke, sir. Maybe we could be of assistance. We'll go over to the chute and tell you when they're packing up for the day. Very well, but no funny business. I know several ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I am your senior flight attendant on behalf of Captain Greylag. I would like to welcome you to the afternoon flight from Boggy Marshland to some far-flung farm. We'll be cruising at an altitude of 7 feet, flying in a rather attractive V formation. With the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe these same procedures that we've been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing the goose air, the fluffy skies.
Are you sure? On one of our lives?
All right, men. Final check. Oh, and here are parachutes for you.
For us? You don't think we're gonna leave her with the duckling, do you? Oh no, cats, you're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter!
Our wings